we could take the same set of entries. The sales day book was overcast by 1000. Purchase of 5000 was posted to the debit of his account, and sales of 1540 to X was posted to his account. These were all one-sided errors. Now we will pass entries through the suspense account. As far as the two-sided errors were concerned, mind you, the entries will be exactly as the same, whether they were before preparation of trial balance or after preparation of trial balance. Let us take them one by one. Sales day book is overcast by 1000. Sales day book overcast. Sales account is more. Sales account credit is more. So how do we rectify that? We rectify that by... How do we rectify that? We rectify by debiting sales account. Sales account debit to suspense. This is the rectification entry after trial balance, single-sided error. We did the same thing in the previous example, only there was no suspense account and there was no double entry. We went to the sales account, went to the debit side of the sales account and say to error in casting or to overcasting of the sales day book and put 1000 on the debit side of the sales account. We have done the same thing here. Sales account has been debited by 1000, but it is an entry. It is a double entry, a journal entry through which we have credited the suspense account by 1000. So this would be our rectification entry. A purchase of 5000 from Raj was posted to the debit of his account. When it's a purchase account debit to Raj, we should have credited his account. Instead, we have debited his account. Therefore, we need to credit Raj's account to cancel the wrong debit and again credit it because it is a purchase. So, whenever an amount is posted to the wrong side, the effect in the trial balance would be of double the amount. If it is difficult to understand like this, like I said before, we could do the same thing. The wrong entry is purchase, it's a purchase, correctly entered in the purchase book. So, posted purchase account has been debited by 5000 and Raj's account has also been debited by 5000. Now what has happened is, because of these two debits without a credit, the trial balance will not agree. But we have done something. We have put the difference in a suspense account, which means in effect the wrong entry that has been passed is purchase debit 5000, Raj debit 5000 to suspense 10,000. This is the wrong entry that they have passed. So how do we rectify this? Like I said before, you can reverse the above entry. Suspense account debit 10,000 to purchase 5,000 to Raj account 5,000 and then pass what should have been the correct entry, which is nothing but purchase account debit to Raj, purchase account debit to Raj 5,000. Combining these two entries, what is the effect we get? We get suspense account debit $10,000, right? Purchase account is credited by 5,000, debited by 5,000, so it cancels out. Raj's account is credited by 5,000 and again credited by 5,000. Therefore, to Raj's account 10,000. So before trial balance, before detection of trial balance, before suspense account was created, when we found the error, we went to Raj's account. On the credit side, we had written by error in posting 10,000. It's the same thing. We are crediting Raj's account but through a journal entry involving the suspense account. One more single-sided error. Sales of 1540 to X was posted to his account as 1450. So sales, how is it posted to X account? X account was debited. When we debited X account, instead of debiting 1540, we debited only 1450. How do you rectify? Debit X account by the difference of 90, because that's what is required to suspense. X needed another debit of 90 rupees. So X's account debit 90 to suspense 90. As far as the double-sided errors are concerned, the entries are exactly the same. An amount of 8765 paid to M was debited to N's account. The debit to N is wrong, so let us credit his account. It was paid to M. M's account should be debited. Therefore, the rectifying entry would be M's account debit to N's account. Already been done before. Now I'm doing it directly without passing the wrong entry, reversing it and then passing the correct entry. Net effect, same. Purchase invoice, if it's not recorded, just record it. So what is the entry? Purchase account debit to creditor with whatever amount. Creditor XYZ, whatever. An entry has to be passed. No difference with the entry that we passed before detecting of the trial balance. One more double-sided error. Wages paid on installation of machinery debited to wages account 3,000. Wages paid on installation of machinery should go to machinery account. Instead, it was debited to wages account. So, how do you rectify? The debit to wage is wrong. So, to correct that, you credit wage account and machinery needed to be debited. So, the entry is machinery account debit to wages. 3,000.